Hello friends, welcome to CI Tech Tutorials. In this video, I am going to show you top 3 websites you should visit in 2021. These websites are so amazing. So let's check. On the first rank, the first website is called Price Trackers. You have to just search on Google for Price Trackers and you have to visit on first URL called www.pricetrackers.in. This website is so amazing friends. In this website you can track in this website you can track any item which is available on Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra and other shopping websites. Okay, so I'm going to show you a basic example, so how this website works and how you should how you can see your product price. So in this video I'm going to take example of Rolex watch. Currently the price is 40,010 rupees in Amazon, as you can see here. Okay, so just copy the URL. I'm copy the URL and have to paste here. Okay, then show graph. When you click on the show graph, you can see the product price is rapidly decreasing. Okay, in the month of 2nd February, as you can see here, the price was 35,600 on this 26th February 2020, and then it again decreased up to 33,820. And on the last side of graph, you can see the price is 40,010 rupees, which is so accurate as compared to the Amazon website. Okay, so that's how you can track your product price whenever you want. Okay, so one more thing is guys, you might have a question that how you can see when your product price is dropped or not. You're not going to visit every day or whenever you want to purchase this item. Okay, so there's an option, you can sign up, or you have already registered in this website, you can log in here or create your account by going through here. And after you successfully log in or create your account here, you can tag or you can set drop alert. You can set a drop alert for your item. Whenever the price is go down or drop the price of item, there is a notification going to your email where you can see your product price. Okay, so that's how it works. So let's visit our second website. So friends, our second website is remove.bg. Search this website, remove.bg. When you search in the Google, visit the first URL called www.remove.bg. Okay, so the friends, in this website you can remove any picture's background. You just have to upload your image and you can easily remove your background. Okay, so I will take an example here. I'm going to take example by using a image. So you can just drop whenever you want. You can drop anywhere in the website, and your image will be uploaded successfully. Okay, so as you can see, this is the image. I will also show you. Okay, so as you can see, there's a background which is not transparent. Okay, so I am going to remove this. You just have to upload, and by default the image background will be removed, but here is another option which I want to show you, which is edit. When you go to edit option, you can see there's a lots of option you can try to. Okay, like this one. It will automatically detect your image and edit your image. Okay, so as you can see, there's a very good background as per the logo. However, you can also select any other. If you want to download it, just click on download and a pop-up will appear, and you have to just click on image. Your image will be downloaded. Okay, and the most important thing is there is no watermark. Okay, I will show you. This is the image I have downloaded right now. So this is how you can edit or remove your background from an image. Okay, let's check the other website. Okay friends, our next website and last website is let'senhance.io. Okay, using this website you can turn your low resolution image into high resolution image, and this website will do it for free. You don't have to pay anything or any bucks. Okay, just have to create an account. Okay, when you sign up in this website, you will see this type of interface. Okay, just have to choose your image and let's drop in it. I'll show you the image resolution, the actual resolution of the image. You can see here, this is the actual resolution of the image. Okay, and we'll see. Okay, 613 288 pixel 0.2 megapixel. Okay, let's start the processing. I will set by default in auto, so you can customize as per your requirement. I'm just taking an example and leave it to auto set size and tune enhance, color enhance. Okay, I will enable the color enhance and tune enhance. Intensity will be 30%. Okay, now start processing. It will take some time, so let's start and do it. As you can see, the processing has been started successfully. Will be ready in about a few minutes. Okay, let's wait until it's process your image. And keep in mind friends, when you sign up in this website you have 5 credit, so you can modify or auto enhance your image 5 times. Okay, only 5 image. Okay, you can download here. Let's check. Oh wow, awesome friends, awesome, literally impressed me. As you can see your image, this image is right now auto enhanced actually, and the original image I will show here. This is the original image. Oh my god. So guys, I personally recommend using this website. So whenever you want to enhance your pixels of the image, any image, you must visit this website and use it. Okay, and friends, if you like, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video with others, friends and families, and on social media.